Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark. Today, we're going to talk about writing skills, which are just as important as speaking, listening, and reading.
Yes, writing helps you organize your thoughts, improve your grammar, and communicate clearly in emails, messages, or essays.
Many learners find writing challenging, so we'll share detailed tips and ideas on how to improve your English writing step by step.
Part 1. Why writing skills matter. Lisa, why do you think writing is important for English learners?
Writing helps you practice grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure more carefully than speaking.
It also lets you communicate in formal or professional situations, like job applications or emails.
Writing improves your thinking process and helps you remember what you learn.
Plus, writing regularly makes speaking and reading easier because the skills support each other. Part 2. Common writing challenges. Many learners struggle with writing. What are some common challenges, Mark?
One challenge is organizing ideas logically, knowing how to start, develop, and end a text.
Another is grammar mistakes, like verb tenses, articles, and prepositions.
Spelling and punctuation can also be confusing.
And sometimes learners have limited vocabulary, which makes writing boring or repetitive. Part 3. Tips to improve writing.
How can learners improve their writing skills?
Start by writing a little every day, even if it's just a few sentences.
Keep a journal where you write about your day, your thoughts.
Read a lot. Reading helps you see how sentences and paragraphs are structured.
Use tools like Grammarly or language apps to check your grammar and spelling.
Practice different writing styles, emails, stories, descriptions, or opinions.
Ask teachers or friends to give you feedback.
Part 4. Organizing ideas in writing. Mark, how should learners organize their writing to make it clear?
Start with an introduction that tells the reader what you will talk about.
Next, write the main ideas in separate paragraphs.
Use linking words like first, also, however, and finally to connect ideas.
End with a conclusion that summarizes your main points or gives your opinion. Part 5. Writing experience. When I began, I found writing difficult because I didn't know how to organize my ideas.
Same here. I started by writing short emails and messages and asking for corrections.
I also read a lot of English articles and copied good sentences.
Using apps to check grammar helped me learn from my mistakes.
Practice made my writing clearer and more natural over time. Part 6. Practice together.
Let's practice writing a short email together. I'll ask questions, and Lisa will write answers.
Sounds good.
Write a simple email to a friend inviting them to a party.
Hi, Sarah. I hope you are well. I'm having a party next Saturday at 7 p.m. at my house. I would love for you to come. Please let me know if you can make it. Best, Lisa.
Now try writing your own invitation email. Next, write a short paragraph describing your favorite hobby.
My favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy mysteries and adventure stories because they are exciting and keep me curious. Reading helps me relax and learn new words.
Try writing about your hobby now. Finally, write a short opinion paragraph about why learning English is important.
Learning English is important because it helps me communicate with many people from countries around the world. It also gives me better job opportunities and allows me to travel easily.
Now, write your opinion paragraph.
Thank you for practicing writing with us today.
Next episode, we'll cover how to improve your English grammar.
Subscribe, keep writing every day, and enjoy improving your English skills.
See you next time.